Good morning, students. Today, in the last class, we have discussed about the drawings are made of equal amounts every quarter throughout the year at the beginning of each quarter. Now, today I am going to discuss the next topic, that is at the middle of each quarter. At the middle of each quarter. Okay. Now you see, the drawings are made at the middle of each quarter. প্ৰতিটো 3 মাহৰ মাজত. Okay. As you know, our current year is 2019. We start from 1/1/19 to 31st December 2019. Okay. Our first quarter from January to March. Second quarter April to June. Okay. Third quarter July to September. And last quarter October to December. As the drawings are made at the middle of each quarter, then our first drawings took place. The drawing first at the middle of each quarter, January to March. The middle month is February. Therefore, 15 February 2019. Okay. Second drawings. April and June. The middle is May. 15th May. Third quarter, July to September. Middle is July, August. Okay. Then our third drawings is 15th August 2019. Okay. And last quarter is this October, December. The middle month is November. Therefore, the fourth and last drawing, exactly this is the last drawings of this year, that is 15th November 2019. Okay. This is the current year 2019. Our account will be closed on 31st December 2019. Okay. What is the formula of calculating the month? Time left of the first drawings plus time left of the last drawings divided by 2. Okay. Time left of the first drawings. The first drawing is 15th February. 15th February, 31st December. 15th February, 31st December. How many months are there? There are 10.5 months are there. Therefore, .5 months. Last drawings, 15th November, 15th November, 31st December. How many months are there? 1.5 months. Divided by 2. That means 12 months divided by 2 is equal to 6 months. Means if the drawings are made at the middle of each quarter, therefore interest and drawings to be charged for how many months? For 6 months. Okay. This part is clear. Now write a homework. Mr. Jodo is a partner of a firm. Full stop. During the year 19, comma, he withdrew rupees 6,000 at the middle of each quarter throughout the year. Interest on drawings to be charged at the rate of 12% per annum. Okay? Calculate the amount of interest on drawings to be charged from Jodo. Okay? This is a homework. You have to solve it by applying both the methods. Both the methods means simple method and okay, with the both the method you have to solve it. This is a homework for you. Mr. Jodo is a partner firm. During the year 19, he will do 6,000 at the middle of each quarter throughout the year. Interest on drawings to be charged at the rate of 12% per annum. Okay, this is the all at the middle of each quarter. Okay, now let's go to the next topic, that is at the end of each quarter. Third topic is at the end of each quarter. At the end of each quarter, if the drawings are made at the end of each quarter, means equal amount to be withdrawn by the partner for his personal use at the end of each quarter. প্রতিটো quarter শেষত drawing কৰিব. Suppose our current year is 2019. Okay, this year start from 1/1/2019 and it will be closed on 31st December 2019. Okay, our first quarter from January to March, second quarter April to June, third quarter July to September, and last quarter October to December. If the drawings are made at the end of each quarter, okay, then our first drawings took place. At the end means last day of the month, means 31st March. Okay, April to June, second drawings, last day this 30th June. July to September, third drawings, last day 30th September. And last drawings, October, December, last day is 31st December. Okay, our account is closed down. December 2019. With the formula, time left after first drawings plus time left after last drawings divided by 2. Time left first drawings means 31st March to 31st December. 31st March to 31st December, how many months are there? There are 9 months. There are how many months are there? 9 months. And 31st December, time of the last drawings. 31st December, how many months are there? 0 month. There is no time gap. 0 divided by is equal to 4.5 or 4.5 months. If the drawings are made at the end of each quarter, then interest on drawings to be charged for 4.5 months. যদিহে প্ৰতিটো 3 মাহৰ শেষৰ তাৰিখত আহৰণ কৰা পাৰ্টনাৰজনে অংশীদাৰজনে তেতিয়া আমি 4.5 মাহৰ বাবে আমি মুঠ আহৰণৰ পৰা আমি সুদ ধাৰ্য কৰিব লাগিব। বুজি পালা? Now assignment, homework for you. Mr. Hari is a partner of a firm. During the year 1920, he withdrew rupees 10,000 at the end of each quarter throughout the year. Interest on drawings to be charged 10% per annum. Okay? Calculate the amount of interest on drawings to be charged from Mr. Hari. Okay, this is a question. Mr. Hari is a partner in a firm. During the year 1920, this is a financial year. You withdrew rupees 10,000 at the beginning of each quarter throughout at the end of each quarter throughout the year. Interest on drawings to be charged at 10% per annum. Calculate the amount of interest on drawings to be charged from Mr. Hari. You will solve it. By applying both simple and method apply the simple product equation to solve কৰিব লাগিব আমি this topic is finished means the drawings are made of equal amounts every quarter throughout the year. Okay, now last topic is there is the drawings are made of unequal amounts. Okay, now move to the last topic. The drawings are made of unequal amounts and is withdrawn different rates. Means here the amounts are not same, amounts are different and the time gap period also different. Okay, when the time gap and amounts are same, then the formula to be used for assigning the amount, assigning the month for which interest to be charged. It is called time date of the first drawings plus time date of the last drawings divided by 2. But if here as you seen the amounts are not same as well as the date of difference, in such a case we have to solve it by applying the product method. Simple method cannot be applied here. You have to just follow the product method. Product method koisa সেই product method edu uliabo lagibo. Here such type of questions problems to be solved by applying which method? By applying product method. Okay, now write a question, another homework, so then we will complete this topic. Okay, the homework is there. Mr. Deepak is a partner of a firm. During the year 2019, you withdrew from the firm for his personal use as follows. Okay, March 2019, rupees 4,000. Next, April 2019, 6,000. Next, August 2019, rupees 2,000. Next, 31st October 2019, rupees 10,000. And 31st December 2019, rupees 3,000. Okay, this as you have seen, the amount are here not same, as well as the time gap also not same here. Therefore, we have to apply the product method. Calculate the amount of interest on drawings at the rate of 12% per annum by applying under product method. Okay, you have to solve this question under product method. This is another homework for you. Now we have completed the manner of withdrawals, how a partner can withdraw the money from the firm in different manner. Okay, I think this part is clear. This part is very, very important for you regarding the preparation of profit and loss appropriation account and financial statements of partnership firm. তোমালোকে এখিনি ঘৰত যিমান পাৰা ভালকে সলভ কৰিবা, ভালকে চাবা, প্ৰতিটো কোৱেশ্চন সলভ কৰিবা. If you are getting any kind of trouble, any kind of problem regarding the solving the manner of withdrawals, okay, you may contact with us. আমাক কন্টাক্ট কৰিবা আৰু প্ৰতিটো কোৱেশ্চন হোমৱৰ্ক সলভ কৰিবা আৰু আমাক কন্টাক্ট কৰিবা. হলে চোৱা ইয়াত দিয়া আছে, মই তোমাক প্ৰতিটো মেথড শিকাইছো. It is not possible to solve the every one question. মই তোমাক কোনটো প্ৰডাক্ট মেথড কৰিব লাগিব, কোনটো চিম্পল মেথড কৰিব লাগিব, কেনেকৈ কৰিব লাগিব, মই এটা এক্সাম্পল দেখাই দিছো. বাকি তোমালোকে নিজে কৰিবা. হলে আমি নেক্সট ক্লাছত আমি আৰু কিছুমান আমি এন্ট্ৰি লৈ আহিম. আমি এতিয়ালৈকে কি ফিনিশ কৰিলো, পাৰ্টনাৰ্ছ কেপিটেল একাউণ্ট ফিনিশ কৰিলো, ইন্টাৰেষ্ট অন কেপিটেল কৰিলো, পাৰ্টনাৰ্ছ ড্ৰয়িংছ একাউণ্ট কৰিলো, ইন্টাৰেষ্ট অন ড্ৰয়িংছ. হলে আমাৰ আৰু টপিক আছে. নেক্সট টপিক আছে পাৰ্টনাৰ্ছ লোন, নেক্সট ইন্টাৰেষ্ট অন পাৰ্টনাৰ্ছ লোন, next partner salary commission and rent paid to the partner. These 4 topics are left. In next class I am going to discuss about these topics. Thanks for today.